Hey there folks, back at you with another video. Today we're going to finish up the running boards. I've got the driver's side already done. I think she came out pretty good. Made it so the running boards are bolted down. And you got the brackets there mounted to the frame. So yeah, right here on the table, I've got these pieces built already, cut and welded up and ready to go. And while I was cutting parts for the other side, I cut the parts for the passenger side as well. So yeah, and then the only thing we have to do here yet is cut this tube here up to size with the bandsaw. So now we're going to get ready to bolt these to the frame, and then next stop will be the 2x2 1/8" wall tubing, and get them cut, get them in place. So yeah, all right folks, let's get to it, and I'll be right back with you. All right folks, we got the tube marked out to hold the running board, so I'm going to get them cut up to size. Let's get into that. This is, on the end of the day, the best way to cut steel. Look how nice we finished cut. Alright, let's get to the table. We're going to start welding that shit up. Alright, so we'll get this tube ready to go. Got my magnet set up so everything is square. Let's get this thing tack welded into place. Set you guys on the standard here. Here we go. So I got the magnetic chuck on, so that way these pieces will stay put. And I got these magnetic squares on, to hold the tube in place. So everything is held together with magnets right now. There you have it. Okay, just for the rear, so got this one all ready to go. Same process, magnetic squares, and then this tube here is the same as this one, and I just holding it down with a clamp. So here we go. There you have it, folks. So now we got both of them done. Here's the other. So I'm going to get them on the truck mounted, and I'll be right back with you. Folks, got them all folded into place. Same thing here. There you go. Now, whew. You can see how the run board fits. Looks pretty good to me. Alright, we're going to do some more measurements and stuff like that. And then we're going to have to take all of it out. And then we can make our final notches for the ends there to bolt down the running boards. And weld everything up solid, put the gussets in, stuff like that. And well, I'll get started on that, and y'all can catch up with me here in a minute. So, all right, let's get this one going here, folks. Okay, gonna weld in the end cap. And what I'd normally do is I use a magnet to hold it in place. Guess we'll have to clean it up a little bit first. Alright, now the only thing left to do now is let it cool off for a minute, and then we can mark the holes out and drill them, and then that will mark the holes in the running board, and then we can bolt everything back together. Alright, I'm going to knock that other one out over there, and we'll see you back in a minute, folks. We got these in place here. We just got the holes transferred. I added these plates on there because this is only 1/8" steel. So with 2 pieces of 1/8" steel, we got it like 1/4, and that should be enough for threads. And then what I did is I notched them out a little bit because I didn't want to put a welt right here, because that's going to be right in that where that tube is going to be. So that's why I notched it. Just to give it, give this little plate a little extra strength. And done the same thing here. Transfer the hole with a hole punch, and now I'm going to drill them out and tap them, and then we can bolt her down, and then she's done. All right, I'll get that done right quick, and I'll be right back with you. All right, folks. We got her all done up. So this driver's side right here, I got the holes drilled and tapped, and I've got this one here mounted. So the only thing we're going to do that for another video is weld the end caps in and paint it. So now we can actually use running boards to get in. How nice is that? All right, folks. Please like and subscribe. Helps out the channel a lot and don't cost nothing. And we're going to catch you on the next one. Peace out.